Hey besties, welcome back to my channel. I know I usually say hey friends, but lately I've been feeling more on bestie vibes, so hey besties. I know you've seen the title and you might be freaking out a little bit. Am I really about to get rid of all my pink clothes? Pretty much, yeah. I know that you guys have been noticing lately that my style is changing. I used to love wearing pink all of the time and dressing super preppy, but as I'm like going through life, I'm kind of changing that a little bit, and lately my style has changed from like pink, girly, glam, preppy to more like, I don't really know how to describe it, like glamorous, chic, but not in an elegant way, like in a hoey, I mean clearly not in an elegant way, in like a hoey way. And I am just noticing that I'm not really vibing with the pink as much anymore. So it is time to do what I've put off for so long and clean out my closet and get rid of all of the pink clothes that I am no longer wearing, because I need to make room for all the new clothes that I'm going to be buying this season. But real quick before we get into the video today, it's me from the future with less makeup and a casual outfit on, here to tell you about today's sponsor, because I think you're really gonna love it if you get super stressed out this time of year, or you've had a stressful year and just feel like you need a break, because the sponsor of today's video is Farmville 3. Farmville 3 is a game available right now on Android or iOS devices, available on both mobiles and tablets, which means it's available for download from the App Store or the Play Store. So as I said, this time of year is super stressful for a lot of us, myself included, especially after a crazy year that 2021 was. So I personally have genuinely been using this game every single night when I'm laying in bed about to go to sleep to help me unwind and calm down at the end of a stressful day, because I love being able to escape into Farmville 3 where there are so many bright colors and cute animals and friendly farmhands just relaxing in a farm. And y'all know I absolutely love animals, so that's just a dream to me, and you're able to collect and nurture animals in this game, which I've really been enjoying as well. So I really recommend downloading Farmville 3 right now to your phone or tablet, whatever device you are using. I have the link on the screen right now and also link down below, because Christmas is a stressful time for so many of us, and it's just so nice to be able to unwind even for like 5 minutes on a fun game. So I'll have that link down below and on the screen right now. Why did I do that? Why did I do the pose and then just not do anything? We're gonna kick off my closet clean out with the clothes that are currently hanging up. Also, I'm just gonna address it now. Don't mind my motivation and words of affirmation. I have anxiety and depression, and these help me to get up in the morning. And I read somewhere that a successful CEO does it, so I'm trying to do it too. But that is not what we're here for. Let's get into, oh gosh, it won't even open, into the closet. Are you feeling overwhelmed? I am. Alright, we're actually gonna do this. Let's move them all down. All of my accessories can stay because I never have enough, and so they can all just stay. This can stay. I love this. I'm just gonna show you it quickly. It is a scarf that I thrifted, right? And I always wear it as a top, like, so you just fold the scarf in half, tie it up, tie it around my neck, and boom, it's a cute little top. Whenever I wear this, everyone always asks me if it's Versace, and I'm like, haha! $5 thrifted. Yeah, haha, so good. This, I really want to style, but I just haven't found the right outfit for it yet. It's literally just like a pink button-up that I got, like a men's shirt that I got from a thrift store, and I think it's gonna look so cute with the right outfit. I don't know what outfit yet. I'll probably do something with it on TikTok, so follow me there if you're interested, but something's going to happen with it. Now this coat can go. I know it's not pink, but this coat can definitely go. It's kind of in that, well actually this kind of matches my style now. Maybe I don't want it to go. I mean, no, I'm gonna keep it. I think I'm gonna keep it. No, it's like kind of cute, and I think the fur comes off as well, so then it's just like a big denim coat. Yeah. Oh no, I gotta keep this. No, I gotta wear this in the winter. I feel like this is actually more my style now than it was like when I bought it a couple of months ago. So no, this is staying. Okay, we have our first thing that I'm gonna get rid of, I think I'm gonna get rid of this dress. I love it. It's from Shein. I love the pattern, but it has like kind of weird cupping on it. I didn't notice it. Like I did a haul with this and I did not even notice it until you guys pointed it out. You guys were like, oh, the cupping looks a little bit odd, Annie. And I was like, damn, you're right. Like so now I can't wear it because all I see is the cupping. Like it's cute, but it's not for me. So I think I'm gonna donate this one. Oh, okay, that's our first item. Not pink, but you know, still. We do have a pink item here that I'm gonna donate. This is also from Shein. I just haven't worn this. I don't know what I was thinking when I bought this. I was like, oh, maybe I'll wear this. It's just not me. I don't know. It's not in my current style. It's not even really in my old style either. Like, I never wear long dresses. So I think we're just going to say goodbye to that one as well. And that can be donated. This dress I lent to a friend recently. I absolutely adore this dress. It's from Meshki. It's like probably like 4 years old at this point, but I love these. They look good with not with everything, but they are good for like almost every occasion. I lent it to a friend and they ripped a hole in it and I'm so annoyed. I need to stitch it up, but I haven't yet. Another example of one coat hanger having way too many items on it. This green dress, it's gotta go. Why do I keep it? it's going. I've said this in videos before that I don't like it. Still has the tags attached, so this can go to, ow, ow. Okay, that dress is like, well, screw you. What if I wanted to stay? This can be donated. We're now getting into a pink outfit that I've been knowing I'm gonna get rid of, and I know that you guys aren't gonna want me to, but it's like my iconic Annalise outfit. But I haven't worn this in so long. It's a cute pink tweed set. It's from Bershka. I always get asked where this is from. Bershka. I got it in store 2019 it must have been, because I got it in store in person in, I think, Belgium. So very old set. I have not worn this in so long, and it is not my style anymore. So I'm going to get rid of it. I know, it's gorgeous, but I don't wear it. It's not me as much anymore. So I'm gonna put this one on my Depop, I think, because it's in like great condition, and I know someone out there will absolutely love it. And I'll put it, don't worry, whenever I put stuff on my Depop, it's super cheap. So go check it out if you're interested. This brown dress, it's gotta go. I love it. Super cute, but it just doesn't fit me properly. It's like a little bit too big, and so I just feel uncomfortable with it, and I don't know, I absolutely love the design, but if it doesn't fit me properly, I'm not gonna wear it. So I don't know if I should donate this or put it on Depop. Maybe I go Depop. I feel like it's cute. I think that's cute, and it's still like on trend. But this tweed can go. It can go. It's not me anymore. I haven't worn this in so long. I love it. Like, it's a gorge outfit, but it's just not me. So I am going to say thank you for your service, and put it on Depop and keep the coat hanger because I need it. Honestly, this dress from Princess Polly, I might put on my Depop as well. I absolutely love it. It is gorgeous. I wore it all the time, and then I accidentally shrunk it in the wash, so it doesn't fit me anymore, which is so irritating because it's so pretty. So I'm gonna put this on Depop because it's perfect condition if you're a little bit shorter than me, you know. Another pink outfit I'm gonna get rid of is this pink dress. I love it. Super cute, just not me anymore. I haven't worn this in so long, so that can probably, I'm gonna put that on Depop as well, I think, because it's cute, like amazing condition from Topshop. Yeah. This feather top from Princess Polly, I haven't really worn it that much, but what does it look like? I don't know, I don't really want to get rid of it, but I've never worn it. Like, I've not never worn it, I've worn it a couple of times, but I need to let go. If I'm not wearing it, then I'm not wearing it, you know? So I think I'm just gonna put that one up on my Depop as well, because it's cute, it's gorgeous. I've worn it like once or twice, so yeah. Another pink outfit that I'm getting rid of is this pink denim set. So it's this pink jacket and then this pink skirt. Love it. Super cute, but it's had its time with me. Again, this is like several years old and I haven't worn it. I don't think I wore it last summer and I haven't worn it this summer, so that can go on Depop as well. Okay, I think that's everything that's hanging up that I want to get rid of for now. So I am going to shut this and we are going to move to my actual like chest of drawers. So this is my chest of drawers where I keep a lot of my clothes, and these are the two main sections. So this is where I keep all of my tops and all of my pants, and as you can see, overflowing. Doesn't actually shut properly anymore, so that's why we gotta go through it. So let's start with my tops. Ugh. This set I'm going to get rid of. It's this cute little plaid set from Fashion Nova. So it's this top and then this matching little skirt. So cute, I love it, but I just don't wear this stuff anymore. It's not for me anymore, it's not my style. I love it, I appreciate it, but I don't wear it. So I'm gonna put this in my Depop because it's in perfect condition. I think I've literally worn it once trying it on in a haul and then once in real life. So yeah, it's like perfect. This pink dress, it's gonna go as well. I think I'm just gonna donate this one because it's quite old. Like, I don't wear it anymore. Super cute, but it's just not for me. It's from Glassons as well. Love that shop. It's a good one. This top, gotta go. I don't wear it. I don't think I've ever actually worn it. It's, again, something that is super cute. Thought I would wear it all the time. Just don't. Strapless tops don't really suit me because I have a really long, like, chest area, so they just do not suit me anymore. So that is anymore. Never did. So that's gonna go. We're really, like, purging through this quite fast, but there's just so many items in here that I've been looking at for a while. Like, you need to leave. You need to leave. I hope you get that reference. This white top, super cute. Alice in Wonderland vibes. Not my style anymore. I haven't worn this in ages. Gotta go. This purple knit top, Princess Polly, love it. I live in Australia. Why would I get and this is on me, nothing to do with Princess Polly, this is on me. Why would I get a purple knit top? Like, the times when I would want to wear this, it is way too hot to be wearing knit. So it's cute, gorge, but I've hardly ever worn it, so that can go. This blue top, I'm gonna keep this because I've worn it recently. I went to like a pub crawl where you had to dress up as golfers and I wore it, so we'll keep that for now. This black top, is definitely staying. I need to do a DIY on it because once again I lent this to a friend and they ruined it. As you can see, like the sleeves are all messed up, so I'm just gonna sew it up properly because this has become an absolute staple in my wardrobe. It matches with so many outfits. This is what it properly looks like and I love it. So this is definitely staying, not going anywhere. Okay, a lot of my clothes have like intertwined into one, so let's, like, what is this? Okay, this cute pink number from Shein can go as well because I haven't worn it in ages, but it's very cute, very, like, if you're into the preppy style, it's gorgeous. It's just not me anymore. This can go. I got this in a Kylie Jenner video. Like, I bought it from Wish, I think, or AliExpress, and it's just not me. I'm never gonna wear that, so that is going. This preppy little set, I have a matching skirt for this somewhere, and this can go as well because it's just, oh no, it's just not me anymore. I just don't wear it. Oh. No, I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna keep it because if I'm considering it, I'm gonna keep it because I don't want to like get rid of it and then later on be like, well, dang, I wish I'd kept that, you know? All of this stuff is stuff I've thought about for a while. Like this pink bodysuit, I haven't worn it in ages, but every now and then she surprises me and I have the perfect little outfit for her. So I'm gonna keep it because it's so neon and fun. This would actually be good at like a music festival. Not that I go to many of those, but if I do one day, I'm gonna keep this one. And same with this pink little top. I'm gonna keep this because it's very sentimental to me. I got this in the UK for literally $1 and it's gorgeous, so that's staying even though I don't wear it. Okay, this is a set that I'm getting rid of. It's this pink knit skirt with the matching pink knit top. Had it for years, worn it so much, but it's just not me anymore, so that can go. White lace top, I don't even think I've worn this before. I kind of thought it was very like Dion Lee inspired, but I just didn't like how the cup sat on this, so I think I'm gonna donate that one. Another tank top that is knit that just doesn't work for me because I live in Australia and it's way too hot and I just never wear this, so this one can go as well. This one I wasn't sure about, but I think I'm gonna keep it. I haven't worn it in a while, but it's so cute, so I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna keep this one. This pearl top, I think I'm gonna get rid of as well. Again, just haven't worn it in ages, not really me anymore, so someone else will absolutely love that, and that someone is not me. That is all of my tops sorted. I'm getting rid of quite a few, actually, quite a few tops. And would you look at that? It now closes. So let's get into these pants. First thing I can see that I'm definitely getting rid of is this pink skirt. Served its time with me, don't love it as much anymore, and I just will not wear it, I know. So that probably Depop, I don't know. I think Depop, someone will like it. Oh, these blue pants. Again, I had a friend ruin these. Where is it? It's got stains. It's got stains all over it and I didn't even get a chance to properly wear these. So I might try and get the stains out and then donate them because they just make me annoyed when I look at that. Like I didn't even get to wear them before someone ruined them. Brown pants, absolute staple in my wardrobe. Y'all are going into winter, a lot of you guys, get yourself a pair of these brown pants, okay? I don't care where you get them from. They are a staple and they are amazing and I always get so many compliments. If I ever influence you to buy anything, let it be a pair of brown faux leather pants. These were from Shein, super cheap. Honestly, one of the best purchases of my life. Get you some, they match with everything. These are gonna go. These are gonna go. I don't see a time when I'm gonna wear these. They're gonna go. They're gonna go. Same with these. Not gonna wear them. Not gonna wear them. I see the thought that I had. Not for me. These pants aren't for me. No, gonna go. This white tweed skirt has never fit me properly ever in my life. And I loved it, but it just doesn't fit me, so I'm gonna pass this on to someone else that will actually wear it and it won't just take up space. This pink skirt, honestly forgot that I owned it. Kind of cute, but I'm not gonna wear it. So again, that can go to someone else. Red skirt here that is tweed. This can also go to somebody else. It's done its time with me. I loved it, wore it a lot, but it's just not for me anymore, so I'm going to pass that on. Same with this skirt. Again, I just haven't worn it. It's a little bit too high-waisted for my liking, so I'm gonna pass this on to someone else that will actually want it. And lucky last item that I think I'm gonna get rid of are these pink heart jeans. They're just not my style anymore. I loved them. They did the time, but they're just not for me. I'm ready. This now. Oh, clothes as well. We have made quite some progress here today. So those are all of the clothes that I'm donating and putting on my Depop. So I'll be sure to have my Depop link down below in case you saw something that you're interested in. So be sure to subscribe to my channel because I have lots of new upcoming hauls with all new stuff in my new style that I'm super excited for. And also be sure to follow me on Instagram, TikTok, all that fun stuff. I do a lot of styling videos on TikTok if you're interested in that. And I will see you guys in my next video. I am so excited excited to see you. I love talking to y'all, and I've missed you because I was sick last week, so I'm very happy to be back. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye. Mwah.